Hello everyone, this is my week 3 tech seminar. So, this week I'm going to talk about machine learning. But before I talk about machine learning, we have to understand artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence, and deep learning is a part of machine learning. So, let's just know what artificial intelligence is before moving into machine learning. Artificial intelligence aims to mimic human thinking. So, what this means is teaching computers how to speak, understand speech, text, and hearing, and also pictures, and basically try to become and think like a human being. Now, machine learning is the way by which we teach machines how to perform specific tasks. This can be, for example, identifying images and classifying them. And deep learning is a part of machine learning in which nodes are created for related data that are connected to each other. And it's called deep learning because there are many layers to the information that is procured by the artificial intelligence. So now let's get into machine learning. Machine learning comes in mainly three types: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforced learning. In supervised learning, as the name suggests, there is more human intervention. The data is labeled, and the artificial intelligence is then told to perform a specific task. For example, this can be for client retention algorithms, in which there is data that the machine learning is able to use. The data can be, for example, the history of the behavior of the clients, and the machine can then predict which all customers are going to go away from the company, for example. And unsupervised learning is when there is much less human intervention and the data is not labeled. For example, there's a data in which cricket players, there are a group of players that take a lot of runs and have less wickets, and there are a lot of another group of players that take few runs but have a lot of wickets. So the machine learning is then able to understand that the group of people who have a lot of runs and less wickets are the batsmen, and the other group are the bowlers. So here we can see that there's no label, there's just data, and the machine learning algorithm is then able to predict what these groups are. Now the third one is reinforced learning. In reinforced learning, the agent is told to perform a specific task, and it is either rewarded or it is punished according to its performance. So for example, if it is a photo sorting algorithm, if the algorithm properly sorts the picture, then it is rewarded, otherwise it is punished. So if we do this, we keep on doing this, the algorithm is able to perform accurately in its specific field. That is the parts of machine learning. Now let's understand how AI like ChatGPT actually learn. For this process, there are multiple bots involved. Let's think of ChatGPT as a bot, alright? So there is the builder bot and there is the teacher bot. What the builder bot does is, the builder bot makes at first random bots that can perform a specific task, and the teacher bot is given data by the human being, and it's also given the answer sheets for the data. So what this teacher bot does is, it tests all of the bots that the builder bot creates, and grades them according to the answer sheet that it has been given. So during this process, at first the builder bot builds bots in random with small variations here and there, and sends all of these bots over to the teacher bot. What the teacher bot then does is, it tests all of these bots and grades them. One thing we have to understand here is the teacher bot does not understand the questions or know anything, because if it already understood that, then there would be no need to do all of this big process. All it knows is how to test and grade these bots. So the testing is done and the bots are graded, and all of these bots are sent back to the builder bot with their grids. The builder bot then finds the best bot and trashes the rest. It then creates variations of this best bot, and again randomly creates uh, other bots that are variations of this one successful bot. And if we keep on doing this for thousands of times, we eventually end up with a bot that is able to do the set task very effectively. Now at the end of the day, no one knows how the bot actually works. Not even the human beings that build the bot, not even the builder and teacher bots, not even the bot itself knows how it is actually able to solve the problem. Now this is all what I have studied about machine learning. I hope you learned something from this. Thank you.